Yo, what's up, Currency Trade Academy? It's your boy Julius, aka the Gold Collector, on Instagram. Um, but yeah, guys, back at again with another Saturday night breakdown on gold, NAS, and I'm also going to include US30 because I've been trading US30 a bit because US30 just has some clean fucking moves. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get right into it. So, I took some banger trades this week. Um, if you're just your first time tuning in, what I like to do is I like to review my last week's trades and see how I can improve. So over here, I took off the bat, I took a 120 pip loss, but I made it back with a 131 pip win and a 38 pip win. Over here, a 28 pip win, but I wish I fucking held this one because it just melted. I knew that because this is when Powell was speaking on Monday. Over here, this is the one I wish I held also. 30 pip win. And then I took a 100 pip loss. Over here, it took about a 200 pip win, capitalizing on our 248 pip win. I think this one's a break even. 93 pip win, 36 pip loss. Over here, a nice 225 pip win, 144 pip win, 27 pip loss, 91 pip win. Hold on one second, that phone call. Yeah, sorry guys, my dad calling me. Over here, I think I took a 67 pip loss, back to back with a 39 pip loss. Then I had a 41 pip loss, then a 39 pip loss. This is where I was just scalping. 60 pip win, 47 pip win, 49 pip win, 40 pip loss, 68 pip loss, 75 pip win. And over here, I knew I took a $22 win on here. So I'm on a closeout this Friday with a little win. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my charts and I'm gonna go chart for y'all. So as always, what I like to do is start on the daily time frame. Excuse me. I'm fucking cough because I've been vaping too much. New all-time high. Daily resistance. Actually, I'll move this one down to here. Daily support. Daily support and resistance. And the reason why I'm calling this daily support and resistance is because price came up here, formed a new level of resistance, came up, broke above, and then retested as support down here. And I think those are pretty much it. I don't see anything else. I don't think price will come down all the way here. I think price is gonna could definitely come back and retest a new all-time high. And what I like to do is I like to mark my zone from the candle wick close to the candle body close on the 4-hour time frame. And just in case the price does decide to come all the way down here, At least I know where my zone is at. So for Sunday for market open, I'm definitely going to foresee a lot of bullish momentum coming through. We have a little minor level of resistance over here, support and resistance. I'll mark that one up on the lower time frame. So price broke below the level of resistance or level of support, retested as support as resistance, and come back down. So I'm going to see that price is definitely going to come back up here, retest, probably come back down here, probably come back up here, come back down. That's what I'm foreseeing, guys. So I'm gonna zoom out on the 4 hour time frame. So these are my key levels. It's gonna be pretty short on gold. Take a screenshot of it, and yeah, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to hit my DMs. I'm happy to answer them for you. I'm making this clean. There you go. So I want to make sure the wick comes down to the bottom of the zone. All right, I'm gonna go to NAS, the Nasdaq, nasty NAS. I didn't trade Nasdaq all that much this week, but that's okay. I'm still gonna mark it up. Because sometimes if I see a good play, I'll mark it up. And so Nasdaq has been on a very bullish run. I knew it was going to retest this level of resistance and support and rally. I just knew it. Daily support and resistance. Fuck. Vaping kills your throat, guys. I need to cut back for sure. All right, that's that. It's the NASDAQ. Zoom out real quick so you can take a screenshot of my key levels. Take a screenshot of that. All right. Now on to US30. Yeah, so US30 on futures is also called MYM, one exclamation mark. That's micro futures for the US30. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what kind of trades I took this past week. Took a nice 75 pip banger. 94 pip banger, 42 pip loss, 60 pip loss, 20 pip loss. It's not that bad. But I honestly didn't really save too many of my charts for US30, mainly because price moves so fucking fast that I just didn't have any time to like mark it up on the trades I was actually taking. But I definitely took way more in those trades. So price is definitely going to retest this new all-time high. It's either going to break above or sell off from it. Jump down to the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, I don't see too many zones. $48,000. That was a very strong psychological number. Oh, what the heck? That was not 48,000. That was way above 48,000. Yeah, I'm just gonna play off of these key levels, guys. Just go to wait for a price to come into these little areas of resistance or support and buy or sell. That's all we're gonna do. Take a screenshot of that. Now let's look at Forex Factory. So the fundamentals for next week, we have ADP on Tuesday. Wednesday is going to be the biggest fundamental news day for we have FOMC, federal fund rate. Jerome Powell is the one who announces the federal fund rate. He's definitely a market maker, or I should say market mover for that regard. So yeah, guys. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to DM me. Happy to answer them. I'm happy to answer for you guys. See you guys in my DMs. All right, guys. Peace.